time with my brother. It's his first time. Come on.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so the first thing is glue. And I'm going to pour his glue because, you know, he's never done this before. And we're not going to make that much because he's a starter. I don't want to waste my glue on him. Not even? That's fine. Okay. So we have our glue. Now our shaving cream. And I'm going to let you do this, but watch how much I put, okay?
I'm gonna have to learn how to shave one day.
Not much.
It's really not it.
Alright. Now we're just going to mix. Oh, I forgot my mixing utensils. Crap. Alright, so I'm going to go get mixing utensils. Now we're just stirring it. And you don't really have to do much stirring because we barely put any. So, yeah, that's just all we're doing. Now it's my brother's turn. And yes, he's using a pencil because, you know, he's a boy. Alright. Now we have our little cupcake bottle here.
What? Cupcake?
He's so stupid. Alright, it's filled with
Real
some
shit.
contact solution. Don't cuss in the video. I'm going to make mine first, and you're just going to see it forming right now.
Oh, that's forming real well.
He's never made slime before. The lighting is really bad. Why is it every video I make there's lighting really bad?
No, it's so white.
Alright, you add some now.
Cool.
Whoa.
Thanks.
He added like the whole bottle, literally. Alright, so that is going to be some thick slime. My dude, it is not going to stretch. You might want to take it out right now and put it on the table.
It's just this stuff.
So yeah, I'm going to add a little more.
I'm getting my hands dirty because, you know, boys.
Alright, I'm getting my hands dirty because you know girls.
Yeah, they always mess up.
Shut up. I'm more slimy than you have. And you ever will.
This looks like marshmallow.
Yeah, I can't do it. Okay. Didn't need it, Josh.
No. My sister's also cuckoo.
Don't you have to need slime?
I'm clueless.
You have to need slime to make it slime.
Grammar.
Look.
Mine is like hard.
Exactly, because you added the whole freaking bottle. Alright, now we're going to move our bowls and we're going to play with it. so bad. I can fix that because I'm a slime fixer.
You can't even fix it.
You need lotion.
Do we have any lotion?
Do you?
Yeah, it does.
You have no idea what to say on a YouTube video. Okay, mine's a little bit too sticky. So, I'm just gonna add a little bit more borax. I want to feel yours in a second.
Okay, I'm just feeling Sienna's right now.
Yeah, I'm giving him mine because look at his. All right. Ugh.
Compared to this,
That's mine, by the way. So,
you do not want to mess up like me.
I think I can fix this though. So.
I thought this was like,
No, this is
Really?
unfixable.
really, like, you know how My Little Pony started out and it was all girly and stuff? And I just thought this was like that, but then I was like, this feels so cool. So,
You're being sexist.
well, you know, girl toys are kind of, yeah.
So guys, this is my slime and I'm so kind, so I'm giving it to my brother. Because his is just, well, it's just like rock. Mine is so fluffy and it feels amazing. He's going to get color right now. And we're going to see what it looks like.
Hey, yo, Sienna, I got that Ghostbusters color.
Wow. Alright.
What?
Let's do this. This is a color that we're using.
Slimer.
Alright, so when you add paint, you just want to fold it over. And just poke it, try to find the bubble that it's at. I'm just going to go on my hands. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this was not a good idea. Is this washable?
No.
They can hear you. Yes, it is. Wait, no, it's not. It's acrylic. It's not washable. Or maybe it is. Is this the color you want it?
Yeah.
You want it darker?
No, I like it like that.
Okay, guys, so obviously he loves green. His candles are green. Everything's green. And this is what the slime turned out like.
Thanks, bro.
So yeah, there's his slime. Well, my slime, but his slime now.
Why doesn't it do that, floppy thing? Like,
Oh, what floppy thing?
like you go,
Oh, that thing? Oh. Josh, you were so messy. Here, put your hands in here.
no, I don't want my slime going.
Actually, here, do it. Alright, watch out. Alright. My brother wants to know how to do the bubble thing, and I'm going to show him, hopefully. I don't think this is enough slime to do it, but we're going to try. Yeah, no. Okay, so this is our, what do you want to call it? Use it, name it.
Slime.
No, name it.
Bubble. Bubble wrap.
Which one to name it? Slimer?
Slime. Slimer blob. slime ball.
There you have it.
Blobby.
Blobby. Here's our Blobby. He feels amazing. That sounds wrong. Blobby feels amazing. I love Blobby. So yeah, there you have it, guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. Check out my brother's fail slime. It feels like crap. So, bye guys.